It's day 9. Yep. So, again, it's boring today. Because, me too. It's boring today because, I don't know, my camera was upstairs when we were at my house, and then it's already 5:45 and I only have 2 things of footage, and both of them are really boring. So yeah.
Today's just been a crap.
Did they say vlogs on there?
On what?
On there. I think they just said, I just made a new vlog. Unless I'm just seeing things, which I could be. Because I'm really tired. I had volleyball this morning from 10 to noon. I woke up at 8:30. Got there, worked my batuski off for 2 hours. And then had to sit with this weird thing. My battery's already about to die. Say hi, weird person. Say hi! Face the camera. She is one little... I almost got you. Whatever. Alright. So bye. It's a kitty. It's a person. It's a kitty person.
Down in her basement watching a movie.
Yep. Her tail's like in your face. Alright, the movie's starting. Shh, be quiet. No outdoor food in the movie theater.